Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to remove image on home screen Microsoft Bing in computer. So how to remove image on home screen Microsoft Bing in computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Microsoft Bing via the browser on your computer. Here it is already on the initial display of Microsoft Bing. To remove the image on the main screen of Microsoft Bing, just direct the cursor to the top right of the screen. Tap the three-line icon here. A scrolling menu will appear down. Here there are many menu options such as Search History, Settings menu, Periank menu and other menus. Here scroll down. In the Customize Your Homepage menu section, there are many options to remove the image. Turn off on Show Homepage Image. Well, you can see here the image is no longer visible on the initial menu of Microsoft Bing. So that's it, the tutorial how to remove image on home screen Microsoft Bing in computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.